we use artificial intelligence is always evolving. A new device that uses AI will help medical students at Kansas City University. In fact, it's the first university in the country to implement a new type of AI technology in the classroom. KSHB 41 News reporter Jian Kim was there for the first day of class. She talked with the instructor and students to learn how this technology will change the way they learn.
Once you guys find that, I want you to try following it up and following it down, okay?
It's first day of class for a new elective here at Kansas City University.
There's the veins that are collapsing as you push down on it. There you go, perfect.
The focus of the curriculum is learning how to use this AI tool, a handheld ultrasound device that scans the body and helps diagnose patients bedside.
It gives like real-time feedback about what they're looking at, so that's really cool.
It's called point-of-care ultrasound training. I got to try it.
There you go.
You did it.
It's a growing area of expertise in emergency medicine.
Just being able to know how to do this even before getting to residency, it gives you kind of a leg up.
Like, oh, there's the tendon, there's the nerve. Like, I've been learning about it. I've seen it in a cadaver, but to actually see it in a living person is really cool.
KCU is a pioneer when it comes to teaching this technology. Assistant Professor Dr. George Cho says it'll change the quality of patient care.
It can give you a lot of quick clinical answers that you used to have to wait long periods of time for.
Answers that could be life-saving. KCU says we're also talking less costs for patients. While MRIs can set you back thousands, this will only cost hundreds.
As we're moving into the next 10, 20 years, it's kind of an expectation that every medical student will have some level of skill with this.
Jian Kim, KSHB 41 News.
Thanks, Jian.